Good morning or good afternoon. Why are people unhappy with their lives? I will give you my answer to the question in this video. Yesterday, my wife, as usually on Sunday, this is our mostly one and only day where we watch a movie and we decide which movie it's going to be. And we watch a movie about a guy who started from nothing and grew into a big company, etc. And at the very early stages, when he was leaving the hometown, trying to catch the plane, just jump on the plane, actually, when train, not plane, jump on a train when it was moving. And he was with another guy who did the same. They were escaping somewhere in Central America. And this was towards the end of 19th century. So very poor circumstances. And he woke up in this train, in the wagon, and this guy was pointing at the sky, and counting. And this guy, the main character, asked him, what are you counting there? Well, there's nothing, just the sky. And this guy said, you know what I'm doing? I'm counting my things I'm grateful for. I was taught that I need to do this every single day. My mom, I believe it was his mom that taught him, every single day I need to count 10 blessings, things that I'm grateful for. And the main character said, I don't have anything to be grateful for. I'm broke, I don't have money, my parents are sick, I cannot even help them. What can I be grateful for? And he said, well, you're breathing, you're walking on two legs, you had just had a good sleep here. Those are the three things that you're grateful for. And to answer my question, the original question from that video, why are people unhappy with their lives, is because we always want more. We want more wealth, we want more health, and things get so excited that they are actually no more excited for us because we always want more. And if we want more, we don't focus on what we can be grateful for at the present moment. And when we don't show appreciation, gratefulness, at this point we take things for granted. That's why a lot of relationships are failing. We cannot take anything for granted. Even if you are becoming successful in your business, even if you're healthy, you cannot take it for granted. You have to keep doing the right things in order to maintain it. And this is getting back to the black belt mentality, where once you reach that black level, everything becomes way nicer. Your workouts, your life, your business, everything. You can buy things that you love. When your wealth, your business is on the black level, right? You start you start all over again, but you're a black belt already. So you are another person. You're not a white belt anymore. The same here. You have to practice gratefulness, gratitude. So my question to you is, can you count 10 blessings right now?